Hi everyone, here we are in the modules tab. So remember on the left, you're going to be able to navigate between the home page and the syllabus and the modules and grades. But we're in the modules page and I'm going to walk you through Module 1. Module 1 is an introduction to the ecology and the history of the Sonoran Desert. And we're going to start here on the Module 1 overview. And here we're going to see an overview of what this module is about. We're really going to be looking at what makes a desert, identifying characteristics of deserts, and you remember here we have reminders about due dates and when things are due. And these are the major categories for this module. First off, you have the syllabus review. So the task is to review the syllabus and tentative calendar links. Here we go. This is how we access the calendar. Over here on the side, we have the calendar. Remember, you can print that off. You can review the due dates. You're going to make sure that you have the required course materials. And you're going to click on this to view the syllabus PowerPoint. And then you're also going to click on this link and complete the syllabus quiz. This is the syllabus review component. Next up, we have the introduction to the Sonoran Desert. Be sure to click on this and you can access the learning outcomes for this introduction to the Sonoran Desert. It will identify what you need to be able to discuss by the end of the module. Next up, we have Introduction to the Sonoran Desert, and so clicking on this, you will be able to view the Introduction to the Desert's PowerPoint. And so clicking on any of these links will prompt you to make a copy of it, and once you make a copy of it, you're going to be able to see the PowerPoint come up. And so here you have the PowerPoint about the ecology and history of the Sonoran Desert. So after that, we have then you're going to complete that Sonoran Desert content quiz, so review the PowerPoint and then take the quiz. And then you've got your Module 1 lab assignments. So you have your desert identification, the first one. You're going to have to also complete a Module 1 identification lab quiz. And you're going to start on your Sonoran Desert fact sheet. So let's go ahead and click the next. Here's your syllabus quiz that you're going to take after you've reviewed the syllabus PowerPoint. Here is your Module 1 content quiz, so make sure that once you start, you need to finish. So once you take the quiz, it'll prompt you to go through question by question. And then you've got your Module 1 lab assignment here with the Sonoran Desert identifications, and here's your rubric. There's criteria, there's ratings, and then the points that you'll get. And then you've got your Module 1 lab identification quiz. Again, it will prompt you right here to take the quiz, and it will cover all the learning from the lab content covered in the module identifications. Make sure that as you go through, you are taking notes on the PowerPoint. These will all help you as you take the quiz. Here is the desert fact sheet. So the detailed directions are right here. What you must include, be sure to include references, and be sure to identify the expectations of the assignment. Here's the link to the rubric. Please review that. You also have an example of a Sonoran Desert fact sheet here. And remember, a reminder that that is just a way to get started to think about it. But remember to review the rubric closely because here it outlines carefully the criteria and what you need to meet the expectations. So that is Module 1, and so have fun with Module 1, and we will see you online.